This video is made possible by Vagabond Vacations. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention There is Slow during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation. So today we're doing a glitter shoot. We got Alessia and Amy as models covered completely in glitter. They look amazing.
You like it, Daddy?
It looks super. All the models right now. We are 3. We're gonna make some portraits with 3 people, and there will be one more coming in just a minute, so we'll end up with 4 models. I got some cool ones.
Oh, nice.
We put you guys back in the
jungle
down there because I found a really nice spot to do this.
Yes.
That's perfect.
I think it's gonna match the
Matching
setting.
vibe.
Yes.
Thin on this palm. It's like
Ah, yeah. It looks super beautiful. I think it would be nice if all the heads turn the same way. I need some foreground. Yes. Found this even bigger cenote. The water looks amazing. We have some green, then 2 models in blue. We're gonna make some more shots because we don't want to lose the light. There's a little bit of light. It's very soft, very flattering to the bodies. The girls look ready, so I'm ready to go shooting. I think one where you are close to each other will be
okay.
good. I gotta be quite far actually. It's quite a tight space to shoot in. Maybe from the side. Oh yeah, from here with the leaves and the.
Yes.
Oh, these are pretty good. Maybe I can shoot from there. The full thing. It's a very good spot. Ooh, maybe from here. Needs to be a little bit more. I want your reflection in the water. 4. And that's it for today, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these shorter kind of POV photography videos. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.